In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to header on Wix. To get started, sign into your Wix account and open your site dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. This is where you will make changes to your website layout and branding. Once the editor opens, give it a moment to fully load, so everything is responsive and easy to work with. Now it's time to upload your logo. On the left side of the editor, click the Add Elements button. Then choose Image. After that, select Upload Images to open the Media Upload window. In the Media area, click Upload, then choose the option to upload from your computer. Browse to your logo file, select it, and confirm the upload, depending on your file size and internet speed. It may take a few seconds, so just wait until the image finishes uploading before moving on. Once your logo has been uploaded successfully, select it from your media library and click Add to Page. This will place the logo onto your site so you can position it exactly where you want it. If it appears somewhere outside the header at first, that's completely normal since you can move it in the next step. Next, click and drag the logo into the header section of your website. As you move it into place, pay attention to the visual cues in the editor. You want to wait until you see the Attached to Header message appear. That message confirms that the logo is locked to the global header, which means it will stay in the header area consistently across your site pages. After that, resize and align the logo so it fits your header neatly. Use the corner handles to scale it up or down while keeping the proportions looking clean. Try to choose a size that is visible without overwhelming the menu or other header elements. Wix also provides smart alignment guides, which are very helpful for centering the logo or lining it up neatly with your navigation menu. Take a moment here, because good spacing can make your header look much more polished and professional. Finally, click on the logo and use the link icon from the floating toolbar. Set the logo to link back to your home page, so visitors can easily return there with a single click. This is a common and useful website navigation feature, and it helps create a more user-friendly experience. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.